Every war begins with a choice. This one began with a mistake. And something answered. We pushed beyond the limits of reality. Power will not save them. Unity will not save them. An inevitability. Because this time, the end is already here. Not a conqueror, not a god. And new minds saw what others could not. When the world trembled, nations responded. You don't stop this. You survive it.